So just to review a little bit about the close embrace, just the taking of the embrace, and what it should feel like. One thing is we still want to be in front of one another, even though we're not dead on to one another. We've got just this slight over here, but it is not over here. There. There. I want my center still coming to Shelley's center, even though we have this slight V shape, very slight V. Some people dance in a bigger V, you know, but we dance in just, I'd say, a very tiny, tiny V. One of the problems, you will hear this sometimes, and again, lots of people, lots of different opinions in this dance, is you'll hear something called buttons to buttons, where they want equal amount of pressure from this side, to this side. The problem that I personally find with this is, where does her head go in that situation? Because if we notice, Shelley had to sort of turn her head a little over here. Because we can't be, if we were really buttons, we'd be there.
Right there.
Yeah. Whereas actually what we want is to be there, where I can clearly see the dance floor here. I'm looking here. And Shelley's head actually can go anywhere from here to a little more to the other side. She can really, there's a little bit of a range there from where, yeah, she's not going to go there. That's too far. We still want to have a nice connection with one another. And so, guys, I don't want to relax this side and actually get her over here. Some guys, I think, do that so they can easily get out side for the cross, but it actually makes the cross harder.
But also don't allow yourself, because when I do dance with someone who relaxes that way, I still try really hard to keep myself centered and over more to the middle. So it's both of our responsibilities.
Because you'll find for the cross, whether it's in open or in close, if she's in front, it's easier than if we get over here and she's more to the side. We've lost the connection between us there. So in close, same thing. She should still be in front of me. In fact, if we notice, let's see how much room we have between our feet here. Okay? We got, 6 inches maybe? When we go to the cross, we should have that same distance. Okay? A lot of times what you'll find is that, particularly if this happens over to the side, then let's see, our feet are actually overlapping. They're our toes. That's what we don't want to have happen. We want to stay in front of one another.